Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect a bank account to Gumroad. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Gumroad dashboard. Once you're in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where you can see your products, sales, and general account overview. From there, look for your profile, which is at the bottom left, and then click on the Settings option. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage your profile, preferences, and payment details. Inside the settings area, find and select the Payments section. This page controls how you receive your earnings from Gumroad. Scroll down until you locate the Payout Method section. This is where your banking or payout information is stored. Based on your region, you might see options like bank transfer, PayPal, or other supported payout services. If you already have a payout method added, you'll see your current details along with an option to edit them. Click on Edit, then carefully enter your updated banking information. Make sure to double-check everything, especially account numbers and routing or sort codes, to avoid any delays. If you haven't added any payout method yet, you'll instead see an option to set one up. Simply choose your preferred method, enter the required details, and save your changes. Once everything is updated, confirm that your information has been saved correctly. After that, your future Gumroad payouts will be sent using your updated banking details. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect a bank account to Gumroad. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.